And the bitterly cold temperatures, the blinding whiteout conditions, and the fact that this storm will last well into tomorrow are only reasons for concern. And continuing our coverage now, WMTW News 8's Paul Merrill joins us live in Portland. Paul.
Yeah, Steve, we're down at the waterfront. It's been snowing since we got down here probably about an hour and a half, 2 hours ago. You can see the boats beside me. They're not moving a single inch. That's because the motion of the ocean has stopped. It's frozen here, frozen solid right across the top. You know, fresh water freezes at 32 degrees. Salt water freezes around 28, 29 degrees Fahrenheit. Of course, the water down here is moving, so it makes it even tougher to freeze. But this stuff is frozen. How frozen is it? Well, I wouldn't venture to guess or even venture out on the ice, but I did chuck a couple chunks of ice down there at it to see if it was just thin surface ice, and they didn't make any sort of impact. So it's frozen pretty good. Like I said, we've been down here for a few hours. Snow coming in. Looks like the wind's coming from the north. It's about 17 degrees right now. I was talking to Sarah earlier, and she said that there probably aren't any serious concerns along the coast for the high tide that's coming up tonight, but there may be for tomorrow morning. So we're going to stay down here. We expect the snow to continue. We expect the wind to pick up as this blizzard really lays into us here. We're going to have a nice romantic night along the water here. But that's the latest live in Portland. Paul Merrill, WMTW News 8.